Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions. The recent trend towards digitalization in the field of engineering is a transformative force, reshaping how we at GFE Solutions approach design and development. Advanced CAD software, simulation, and digital prototyping tools have enabled us to achieve a new level of precision and complexity in our designs. This technological advancement enhances our workflow efficiency, allowing for more time to focus on innovation and problem solving. Simulation and testing through these digital tools allow for early detection and rectification of potential issues, saving valuable time and resources. Furthermore, rapid prototyping technologies like 3D printing have significantly shortened the development cycle, enabling faster realization of concepts into tangible prototypes. This digital revolution in engineering not only speeds up processes, but also ensures a higher degree of accuracy and quality in our outputs. At GFE Solutions, our commitment to leveraging these advancements reflects our dedication to providing top-tier, efficient, and quality engineering solutions in today's fast-paced market.